The new Mainstreet loan goes live from the Fed, but how much money can you get and when can you apply? Hey, this is LALATE with a Sunday update for May 17th. Thanks for always just tuning in. As always, like and subscribe to the channel and drop your comments below, and we may feature them in tomorrow's recording. We're going to screen share this recording with you to show you the new Mainstreet loan. LALATE had detailed the Mainstreet loan several weeks ago online, and in a live chat on Saturday in Beverly Hills, lots of you were asking about this new program. So here you go. The Mainstreet loan is administered by the Federal Reserve. It's not administered by SBA. And you can apply for the Mainstreet loan if you've gotten EIDL money or PPP money. So how does it work? How much money can you get? Are you eligible? And how can you apply? So let's screen share. The new Mainstreet loan is administered by the Federal Reserve. It's structured into three different categories. What you're looking at now is the current screen for the Federal Reserve that details the different three options that are now offered under the Mainstreet loan. The totality of the program is called the Mainstreet loan, but it has three subsections. This is the page in which it's administering it. There's a sequence of frequently asked questions. You want to click on that link, which will then download a PDF to your computer. If you upload the PDF, if you open the PDF thereafter, you will see the details of what the loan states. So this is the guidance from the Fed as of April 30th. The Mainstreet loan includes three different loans: the MSNLF, MSPLF, and a third. We're going to go through each of them individually. So if you've gotten exhausted with acronyms like EIDL and PPP and PUA, we'll get ready, because there's three more names you need to know. They're all parts of the three Mainstreet loan. So why is the Fed providing this loan? It's for small to medium-sized businesses to get through COVID-19 issues. There are three types of loans: the MSNLP, MSPLF, and the MSELF loan. First, the MSNLF is for borrowers ranging in size from $500,000 to $250 million. The second one is the MSPLF, is for borrowers from $500,000 to $25 million. And the third is the MSELF, like MSELF, which is $10 million to $200 million. This is a 4-year term loan. The loan offering has matches or is consistent with other things that we've been talking about with this channel. First of all, the PPP was established by the CARES Act, while the Mainstreet loan is coming from the Fed. You can have both of them. So how does this work, and what are the terms? And what are the eligibility? So there's certain eligibility criteria. The first, the business must have been established by March 13th, 2020. Second, the business may not be an ineligible business, and there's certain federal regulations you need to look at for this. Third, the business must have had one of the following two conditions: has 15,000 employees or fewer, or the business had annual revenues of $5 billion or less, which probably applies to all LLA viewers. Fourth, the business must be a U.S.-based business. And fifth, the business may also participate in these other programs. Six, it may not have received specialized support pursuant to the Economic Stabilization Act, the CARES Act. And seven, there's a third criteria you need to look at. So if you got some relief, you need to look at eligibility 6 as specifically to see if it cancels out or doesn't cancel out. A lot of viewers are nonprofits. Are nonprofits able to participate? No, not according to current guidelines. How do you apply? To apply for a loan, you need to submit an application through an eligible lender, and they will process it. The loans have not gone live yet, however. We're giving you this detail so you're on the ball. A business that received a loan through PPP may qualify as well. The terms of the loan may not be favorable to some of you. No principal interest is due for the first 12 months. But under the first one, the MSNLP, the 1/3 of the principal is due within 2 years, and 3 years, and 1/3 is due in the fourth year. And the other one, there's a balloon payment of 70% of the principal at the maturity of the fourth year. So some of these loans are quite complex. The interest rate is based upon 75 basis points of the base of the principal amount, their covenants and conditions. We're getting you informed about this early on because there's a lot of stuff here. U.S. Federal Reserve insured depository institutions like banks and saving associations and credit unions can write this loan. Again, they're not writing it yet. We're trying to get you up to date on what it is before it goes live. And the Federal Reserve will give you further guidance. I mean, this is the only guidance we have in such detail as of April 30th, 2020. As always, stay on top of this with LALATE. You need to watch this page from the Federal Reserve. Eligible borrowers. Once the program is operational, small and medium businesses in the program may apply by contacting an eligible lender. That eligible lender will write the loan for the Fed. The Fed won't write the loan for you, so don't be calling the Fed on the phone. And what documents should eligible lenders prepare? There's some guidance there. There's certain term sheets that are live. Again, this program is not live yet. We've been talking about this program on LALATE, the news site, far before the channel even existed. And the Fed has not gone live with it. But for the following reasons, I really want you to stay up to date. As always, stay with LALATE for more and drop your comments on this, and we may feature them in Monday's recording.